The pill's journey through the body when you swallow a pill. A fascinating journey through the body begins. In the mouth, the pill is moistened by saliva and pushed backward by the tongue. It slides down the throat and continues through the esophagus. This is a muscular tube that uses wave-like motions to carry the pill to the stomach. In the stomach, the pill encounters strong acid that begins to dissolve the tablet. Here, the active ingredient is released, unless the pill is designed to dissolve later, such as enteric-coated tablets. From the stomach, the dissolved medication moves to the small intestine. This is the body's primary site of absorption. The small intestine has an enormous surface area with tiny finger-like projections called villi that absorb the active substance into the bloodstream. Once absorbed, the substance is sent to the liver via the portal vein system. The liver acts as a control center and breaks down part of the medication in what is known as first-pass metabolism. This means only a portion of the medicine reaches the rest of the body. Therefore, some medications are given in higher doses. After the liver, the substance is transported through the blood to the part of the body where it is needed. This could be the brain, muscles, an inflamed joint, or other target organs. At this point, the patient begins to feel the effect. It might be pain relief, reduced fever, or a calming sensation. Once the medicine has done its job, the body must eliminate the leftovers. The kidneys filter the blood and excrete waste through urine. Some drug residues may also leave the body via feces, urine, or sweat. This marks the end of the journey. The body is now ready for the next dose.